Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective. So today is all about fried rice, and not just any fried rice, we have a mixed seafood fried rice. I know you're thinking seafood is a little tricky, but trust me, you guys know I'm all about the easy, simple, delicious recipes, right? And of course it's Simply Local, so I had to infuse it with our local flavors. So I'm going to infuse it with some shado beni oil, we have some garlic, we have some ginger, and I have some beautiful vegetables just to tie the whole dish together. So let's begin. So you guys are gonna love this dish. Not only is it quick, simple, it's one pot, right? So we're gonna begin. So I have my wok here on high heat, right? And we're gonna use our cuisine oil. I'm just using a little bit, about 2 tablespoons of oil. All right, so to begin, we're gonna saute, right? We have some garlic here. I have ginger. And I have onion. And I give this a nice mix. So I have this mixed seafood here, and I just bought it at the grocery. I picked it up at Massey stores. It has calamari, which is squid, it has shrimp, and it has some black mussels in here. So I'm adding that, as well as Cuisine also has shrimp already ready available. It's actually a budget pack, so it's reasonable, right? So I'm just gonna add the mix here. So I'm just adding some black pepper, salt, and like I said, we're gonna infuse it here. So I have my shado beni oil, and all I did is just chopped up some shado beni and add some olive oil to it, right? So I'm gonna add this and give it a mix. A lot of water is gonna spring from the seafood, and that's okay, that's natural, right? Just make sure and have it on a medium to high heat and allow the liquid to evaporate. We don't want a soggy fried rice. So fried rice is never soggy. Alright guys, so at this point the seafood is cooked. I'm gonna add my egg. Remember I told you it's one pot. So I'm gonna add my egg. All I did is just crack 3 eggs and I just beat it. Alright, so right here on this pot, you're just gonna take your spoon, your spatula, whatever you have, and just mix it. So once you find the egg is coming together, you go ahead and mix everything together. Right, give this a nice mix. The next stage, we're gonna add our veg. Again, I have some carrots here, and I have some broccoli. All I did to the broccoli, I blanched it. Right, give it a nice mix. Alright guys, so I have my cuisine parboiled rice here. All I did is just boil it, right? But I didn't fully cook it, because in fried rice, we want that nice bite to it. And we don't want a soggy fried rice, that's never good, right? So we're gonna add it now, right? And we're gonna give this a mix. This looks so yummy. All right. So now we're gonna infuse back some more Asian flavors. I love sesame oil, guys. Honestly, it's the best. It just smells, it not only tastes great, it smells great, you know? And I have some soy. After all, it's fried rice. So that color we're gonna get from the soy. And I have some saive. Can't be a fried rice without some saive. Right, so I'm adding some saive. Here we go. And we're gonna mix. Guys, and it's literally that simple. At this point, you guys know, feel free. Add your spices, like your pepper. That's fine as well. But for me, this is perfect. Oh my gosh, that sesame. Oh, amazing. It's like heavenly. I love, love, love sesame, guys. It just does something to a dish, you know? Right. And it's that simple. Alright guys, so here we have our delicious mixed seafood fried rice. Now this dish is perfect to have on the go because you have your wonderful blend of starch, vegetable and protein. Now to have on the go means you have to have a container, right? And we have our container here from Guy & Gordon, and they're actually the sole distributor of World Centric line of products. And this is made from unbleached plant fiber, which is really good. It has no wax lining or plastic at all. Now I'm gonna dish out some in here. And what I really love about this is that you can use it for hot and cold items. It's soak proof, meaning that you can just put some gravy on your rice there and you're good to go, right? As well as it's microwavable and freezer safe. You know what that means? I could put this in the freezer, put it in the microwave, and it's still intact. Guys, amazing. I really love this container. All right guys, so all the information about Guy & Gordon products will be on their Facebook or Instagram, and you can follow all the links below in the description. So now time to eat, finally. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I love fried rice and seafood fried rice. Okay, I want to get a little bit of everything here. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Guys, one word, delicious, just delicious. You see that sesame? The seafood, you can taste the seafood in the whole dish. It's amazing. It's not under seasoned at all. And you're gonna get a little bite from the carrot and from the broccoli. Amazing, I really love it. As always guys, the full recipe is on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Just want to say a big thank you to both our sponsors, Cuisine, as well as Guy & Gordon Limited. If you want to know more about these plant-based products, you can look them up at guyandgordon.com. All the links will be in the description below. Thanks again guys. Let me know down in the comments what you like to put in your fried rice. These are the things that I love. Let me know what you love. Until next time guys, bye!